Hey, this is Ray with Herrholz Hub. We're here at downtown, or Disney Springs. Sorry, it's downtown. It'll always be downtown. But here we are. We're in the parking lot because trying to record today, it's really hard. It's extremely busy. I got a couple snippets posted, I shared. And there's copyright music everywhere. And so it makes it even harder to record. So we're here in the garage. And we set out to come to Gideon's today, but they already had a virtual wait of 4 hours today. They have a really nice menu rocking. So today's drop, cake drop, and cookie drops are nice. And tomorrow they have a different drop on Sunday. So with that, we tried to walk around. It's breezy today, and it's really nice though.
I mean, the clouds rolled in, but it's a beautiful day. The temperature's beautiful. The breeze.
I don't know where the clouds came from.
When it gets darker, it'll be chilly. But right now, it's gorgeous.
So before we left, I went to Joffrey's and got the annual pass holder drink because you stamp your card from, I think it was the 13th of November through the end of December, and then you could bring your card in. They'll get you a little pass holder sleeve or a Joffrey sleeve because I think it's their anniversary too. So here I have the hot version of the Storybook thumbprint latte. I think that's what it is. Santa's thumbprint cookie latte. I have the almond milk version, and I got it hot. And I didn't know you could get them hot. So now we can do them hot or cold, which I will always be hot.
I got it cold, but I was bad. I drank mine on the walk.
And he had one, but you can't tell what it looks like, but it's really tasty.
It looks like this.
It's really tasty, and I like it really hot. So got the hardest one out of the way, and it says if you're gonna bring your card back in, you have to do it here. And don't try to double stamp your card because they just stamp 2 stamps on one day, so it doesn't work. So if you're gonna do a double stamp, 2 people, you might as well do 2 cards because they screwed us.
Oh, that's not nice.
So yeah, get the cards right there. So here's the card. That's what it looks like on the back, but if you pull the stamp side closer, you'll see they double stamped it
on the same day.
So it's not worth doing 2 pass holders on one, especially when you're paying for both of them.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
So, and then he went ahead and got himself this giant donut treat. Giant. So here, take a look. He didn't devour this on the walk back. But anyway, this is from Joffrey's too. Thing's huge, look.
The cookies and cream. It's as big as the...
How big it is compared to the cup.
The girl said it's her favorite. And I'm like, I like cookies and cream.
Hold it sideways.
Oreo.
No.
Oh, this way.
There you go. Look at how thick it is. That's a big donut. So, yeah, since he couldn't get his cake fix, he got himself a nice donut. And it smells very fresh in there, all the stuff in it.
Oh, yes.
So, here's a view. Oh,
the volcano was just going off. There it is.
The volcano is rocking. I can't. There it is.
There it goes.
The rainforest volcano is erupting. I don't know if it's done or not. Oh. 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 I mean, it doesn't look as cool from up here, but it's erupting. Whoa. Whoa.
There it goes.
I don't have my ears on today because my head hurts. It hurts to wear my ears, and it's super windy. We didn't even get to go into the world of Disney. We were going to do some merch video, and I need a pair of Christmas ears, which I don't have any. It's just too crowded today. We'll have to try to come back on like a Monday or a Tuesday or something when there is like nothing. Because I was even going to show you guys a boat ride from the resorts, back and forth from some of the resorts, and we could have walked around and got some footage of some of the resorts that you can ride from Disney Springs there and back. It's, and it's free. And we could have got a snack and all kinds of neat stuff, but it's not working out today. So my suggestion for Disney Springs, if you're not a big crowd person, unless you want to come for the nightlife, because it's just getting started, the best time would come first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, the wait for Gideon's is 30 minutes. First thing in the morning, you can get all your things. You can walk around, get some great footage of hardly anybody here, because nobody wants to get up at that time in the morning, because they were just here and left probably 1 o'clock. Not a fan. So there's the view. See, it is full up here. I don't know how, but we did. We got a spot in the Lime Garage because it said it was full, but they didn't block it off. So I was like, I'm going for it. So, cheers.